Let's just say day 2 of the A.J. Scott speeding trooper unalive trial has been a very emotional one. So let's recap day 1 and day 2. Day 1, you heard testimony from the 911 eyewitness who testified that he actually saw the victim's car turn in front of the state trooper's car and called 911. You also heard testimony from the crash survivor Benjamin Finken, who stated he allowed Dylan to drive his car because he had recently received his license and Benjamin was not able to drive late at night. Benjamin testified that his last memory was pulling away from the Kangaroo gas station, being on the phone with his girlfriend arguing when he looked up and saw headlights. Benjamin stated that he did not remember drinking that night, but on cross, the defense was able to bring out the fact that Ben did intend on drinking later that night. Dylan also testified, and basically Dylan could not remember a whole lot of details due to his traumatic brain injury. He did remember saying that he had used his brother's ID that was found on his person before to buy alcohol in the past. However, that night he maintained that he had not partake in drinking any alcohol the night of the crash. You also had body cam evidence of the scene, and dash cam evidence of the trooper and his speed. Corporal Joseph Alexander testified that he was the first officer on scene and had discovered Isabella Chinchilla unalived at a stop sign, and then also had observed Kylie unresponsive in the back seat. Again, day 2 was filled with a lot of testimony and body cam of the scene and witnesses, and the families of the victims were present. You could visibly hear them crying in the background, and the judge had to basically give an instruction to the gallery to tell them to try not to be as emotional, but take a break, because you're having to now relive the events that has occurred. But I want to show you a small snippet of what it looked like from the dash cam of the police officers, state troopers video the night of the crash. This is a clip of how fast the state trooper was going right before the two vehicles collided together. From the look of the video, the state trooper did not have enough time to react, and that possibly is because of how fast he was going, up to 90 miles per hour in a 55 mile per hour zone. So you guys, let me know how you're feeling about it. I just don't know what would happen with the jury from the best dressed public defender that you know.